some Decepticons who need to be taught a lesson. The Autobots will triumph! Keep the heat on the Decepticons. I'll check on those Autobots.
Look! It's Optimus Prime!
Have to get repaired soon.
Optimus, over here!
Warpath, I thought I ordered you to protect the Ark.
Never made it! Who's your big friend?
We can't stay, Warpath. We've got to move on and destroy the last warp cannon.
Optimus, we're low on energon. There's more Decepticons coming in. You leave and...
Optimus, this is Ironhide. The Arc shields are nearly gone. There's not much time left.
Go. We'll cover you.
No, we face them together.
Push them back, Autobots!
Stand tall, Autobots. Here they come. No more warmongering for you. Marauder on the right. Retroflex fire.
Decepticon deactivation commencing.
They're retreating.
How'd you like that, Decepticreeps?
Incoming! They're shelling the plaza!
It's coming from that warp cannon. I need to get closer to target it.
I'm coming, Prime!
Inside! Everybody inside!
Stay away from the warp cannon's targeting beacon!
He won't need any more Autobots.
Another loop around the plaza? Anybody?
Let's do it together.
Heavier than it looks!
Well, then your path. Move forward. And keep your optics open for more Decepticons.
Where'd it go?
For our freedom! Optimus, you close enough to mark that warp cannon?
I must get closer to mark the target.
Optimus, you close enough to mark that warp cannon?
Metroplex, take it out!
Where'd you find this guy?
There's still one warp cannon left. I must reach it before it destroys the Ark.
Then let's roll out!
Negative warpath. See to your soldiers. Metroplex and I can handle the rest.
Oh, him? Sure, yeah. I guess he's big enough to handle it. We've got Optimus cornered!
Thanks for the assist, Metroplex.
You are most welcome.
As civil war spread like a storm of burning energon across the surface of Cybertron, devouring in its path the great city of Iacon, even I was caught off guard by the depth of Megatron's depravity. I should have anticipated his utter lack of feeling for his fellow Cybertronians. But at the expense of the lives of many thousands of my fellow Autobots, I did not.
Soundwave superior. Autobots inferior.
There. The last warp cannon. I'll need to get closer to mark it.
us pinned down!
We'll take him together. Follow me.
What the blowing you? Watch out, enemy! Dropship coming in! Bridge is clear! Go get him, Optimus!
I needed that. I must get closer to mark the target. Metroplex, I've marked the final warp cannon. Let's finish it.
Yes, Prime.
Metroplex, no!
Optimus! The arc shields are down! It's about to get torn apart!
Metroplex is down. I'll have to finish it myself.
I'll send backup!
There's no time.
Optimus! We need that!
Ironhide! Ironhide!
Surprise! No, you don't! Lights out!
Optimus, do you read me? If you read me, the arc is going critical. You need to act fast.
We enjoy our nap.
Frog, he's coming too.
Stay down!
Megatron! Look what I found.
Optimus Prime. That is what they call you now, isn't it?
Megatron.
Funny, isn't it, Megatron? How easily I defeated the one adversary you couldn't.
Silence! You didn't have to come to this.
This is what you chose, Prime, when you defied me. All of this is your doing.
Optimus!
Megatron, stop.
I'll stop when all of you are dead.
No!
This is needless. All we want is to leave.
Charge up the warp cannon. Wipe their precious arc off the face of Cybertron. Yes, sir. No one leaves without my permission.
I wasn't asking.
Always defiant to the end, aren't you, Prime? At every turn, you have thwarted my efforts to save this planet, to return it to its former glory. No more! This day it all ends, Prime! Once and for all!
Megatron, look out!
Stop running, you fool! Stand and fight!
Starscream, I'm your leader now. Decepticons, return to base!
Now that's a sight my optics have longed to see for some time.
Enjoy the moment. It may cost us our future.
No. You mean all the energon we saved for the Ark is gone?
There's barely enough left to last a megacycle. We need to find more energon, and quickly. I have a hunch Grimlock may know where to start.
Grimlock? He deserted us.
He left his post for a reason. I want to know why. Jazz and Cliffjumper are tracking him now.
This is as close as I can get to Grimlock's last known location until the rust storm clears up.
It'll have to do, Sideswipe. You ready, Cliffjumper? Always.
Try not to have too much fun without me.
Alright, just keep your channels open in case the rescuers need some rescuing. Let's do it.
Sensors are jammed. Optics barely working.
Keep moving. We gotta find cover. Through here. Look out! Sideswipe, this is Jazz. We're in, but stay close, okay?
Will do. Sideswipe out.
Cliffjumper, over here.
Jax, that ship's markings match the one that was stolen from the base.
It's a good bet Grimlock used.
It doesn't look very stable.
It's fire! I got the ship logs. Grimlock did use it. He and his team were tracking an energy spike here in the Sea of Rust. See? Under control, baby.
Can't believe you outranked me.
It looks like Grimlock made his way through here.
Grimlock leaves quite the trail. He just tore through this metal like it was nothing.
Cliff, we got company. Time to play hide and seek.
Decepticons?
Cloaking works best if you keep quiet.
Sweep the area. We don't want any visitors like before.
Yes, sir.
Keep it down until we find out why they're here. Take him out. Oh, quietly.
The new cloaker's working great. The door's sealed shut.
I see an access tunnel behind all that junk.
I'll take care of that. There, an access tunnel.
We'll find Grimlock faster if we split up.
Keep your channel open. Jazz, you reading this?
Keep your distance.
Maybe we can ask him which way Grimlock went. It's like a dead end. I see a crane, but can't reach it. Any ideas?
There's a control room on your left. Try over there.
Decepticons are crawling all over this place.
I get the sense they've been here for a while.
Jazz, some of this tech is pretty recent.
Decepticons are using this as some kind of waste.
You carry the spark of a hero, Cliffjumper.
Management facility. Kind of waste you get from milling energon.
Sea of rust?
Coming from somewhere. Grimlock knew something we didn't. Find a way upstairs. Cliff, picking up a lot of Decepticons just ahead.
I'll deal with them. Just find a way for me to reach that control room.
On your way, Cliff. Get your ride on that trash compactor.
I don't like it. Just like that, Starscream takes control? Nah, he's no Megatron.
Better than Shockwave. That guy gives me the creeps. And his pets.
Oh, don't get me started. I saw what they did to those Autobots.
Did he say Shockwave?
Did he say pets? Controls for the trash compactor are just ahead. Use it to hitch a ride.
Oxidation, pitting the metal surface, gradually deforming its shape. I fear for the health of all Autobots. The supply of energon may be on every Cybertronian's mind, but I have observed the encroaching influence and effects of rust on many Autobots. We must be ever vigilant to its presence, or this city will overtake us all.
Threat level elevated.
I think I can position a crane to get across.
That thing looks pretty rusty.
You carry the spark of a hero cliff jumper.
Cliff, don't make a scene.
It'll be fine. See?
Yeah, that wasn't loud at all. Cliff, you got company. Wonder what tipped them off.
You're not helping. I'm gonna melt you entering what looks to be some kind of ancient tomb.
You're all out of my visual range. The signal weak from the storm. Keep me posted till I can catch up.
What the?
A stealth cracker. That beam will see right through your cloak.
Target lost. Engaging scanner.
Hey! My storm is picking up! Brace yourself!
Jazz, you alright?
Well, be glad you're inside. This rust isn't doing my gears any favors.
I hear more Decepticons. Time to go dark. Explorers, huh? Some kind of ancient map room of the universe.
Does the map point to something big and ugly named Grimlock?
No. Jazz, you should see this place. It's beautiful.
Oh, that's nice. Write a poem about it and move on.
You suppose the ancients visited all these places? Jazz? Huh. Signal cut out again.
Apologies, Cliff Jumper. Blast gas is not available.
Idea to just let them wander wherever.
We stepped in it now! Wall was tough enough!
Shift it down a gear, Jazz. I'll handle this.
Starscream and Shockwave are at it again. I thought we were all on the same side. Starscream is always on his side. Period.
Must be getting paranoid. Find a way around if you don't want to get fried.
Secure this room.
Yes, sir. Always an idiot getting around, man. We got company!
Know what's going on. See, it's futile.
Sword scrapes, trail of destruction. Yeah, Grimlock went through here. Wow. Grimlock doesn't leave much of a chance, does he?
Giving him too much credit. Grimlock's a hothead.
I just respect the direct approach, that's all.
Move! That rust storm is picking up again!
Jazz, look out! No! Jazz! Jazz! Do you read me? Crap, he fell right into a Decepticon control. Buddy, I'm coming. We're still functioning.
I'm pinned down. We're gonna need some help.
Surprise!
Night.
Shooting over my coordinates?
Nah, got him. On my way.
Clifton, the guard's nearly on top of me.
Don't move, Autobot. I know there were two of you. Where is your partner?
Partner?
Discrepancy. Intruder escape. Activating search.
Welcome.
That was close. Now you think you can lift this thing off me?
No Ironhide. But I get the job done.
Storm clearing. We're gonna have cars on our position in no time. Quick, follow me. Oh yeah!
What the frack are those?
Coming with me!
This looks tricky.
Nice job, Cliff.
Scrap, it's like it caved in.
I got this one.
Very nice. Show off. Can you lift that thing?
No.
Let me have it. Wow. Grimlock?
Grimlock.
Why do you suppose Grimlock came out here anyway?
Probably after the same thing the cons are after. Whatever that is. Nobody's heard from Grimlock or his team since.
Grimlock has a team?
They call themselves the Lightning Strike, something or other.
That's terrible.
Jess, look.
Interesting. This facility is collecting the toxic byproduct of Energon refining. There must be an Energon supply nearby.
Picking any energy readings up?
That storm is still mucking my signal, but... Cliff, I'm detecting a faint distress signal. It's autopilot.
Records indicate probationary status for you, Cliff Jumper.
Distress signals coming from that pit.
You mean the one they're sealing up like a safe?
We need to find a way to open it.
Canisters are full of toxic goo. Pretty sure I can rig a good-sized bomb to blow the lid. Meet me in the control room.
These snipers might have other ideas.
Stay out of the line of fire!
Experimental cloaking technology test subject, Cliff Jumper. Good luck, soldier.
Distress signals coming from that pit.
You mean the one they're sealing up like a safe?
We need to find a way to open it.
Canisters are full of toxic goo. Pretty sure I can rig a good-sized bomb to blow the lid. Meet me in the control room.
These snipers might have other ideas.
Records indicate probationary status for you, Cliff Jumper. Good luck, soldier.
Megatron and a faction at home.
gas is not available.
Bomb's on its way. Once it's loaded, escort it to the hatch and I'll arm it remotely. Should be more than enough fireworks to crack that lid.
You are gonna wait till I get clear, right?
We'll see. Don't let the Decepticons destroy that bomb!
Shotgunners! They aren't making this easy!
That's a long way down. You stay here. Keep an eye out.
What? No. I'm not called Cliff Jumper for nothing. You stay here. I'll take the plunge.
Later!
That's cheating!
But I can grapple through it pretty easy. The signal is really strong now. It might belong to Sludge.
Sludge? Wasn't he on Grimlock's team? Why would he be down there?
Not sure if he had a choice.
Why?
Call it a hunch. Cliff Jumper, I found Sludge.
Is he functional?
Pretty messed up. In a stasis lock. Might be enough energon left to tap his memory core. Bingo!
Stop your whining, Sludge. By surprise. Grimlock, we need to call for backup. There is no backup, Slug. Optimus doesn't even know we're here. They're back! And coming in fast! There's too many of them! Stand and fight!
Cliff Jumper, you catch any of that?
You mean the screaming? The horror? Followed by more screaming?
Yeah, that'd be it.
mind saying, whatever can take out Grimlock and his team, I don't want to meet.
That's unfortunate.
Why is that?
I think I'm about to.
Jess, you okay?
They're everywhere, and they are ugly.
Keep on him, Jess.
Easy for you to say. Do not like the looks of this.
Looks of what? I can't see.
You don't want to.
Zero. Dad, don't be a fool! Remember what they did to Grimlock!
I know, but I need an exit! Wait! This could be my ticket out of here!
Blast it already and move it!
Oh no!
Yes, they got toxic readings off the scale! Get out of there now!
I ain't arguing with that! Flooding already! I need to haul it!
Yes, they're coming topside!
Must be in trouble. I gotta move! Ready to move, Cliff! I'm pulling the plug!
That was close, Jess. What now?
The stress signal is gone. Picking up that previous energy signal.
I say we chase it.
Beyond that door.
Access denied.
We'll see about that.
Access denied.
Jess, look!
Hey, it's filled with raw energon.
Jess, this could be the last reservoir on the whole planet.
Decepticons got here first.
Pumping the lake dry.
Come on, Cliff Jumper. We gotta move.
Little help!
Show for an energon refinery. There's something more to this place.
This goes on forever.
Let's split off again. First one to find the exit wins.
See you on the other side.
Cliff Jumper, we got company dropping in.
Reference those elements found immediately. Sweep the area.
I've been spotted!